Hello everyone, I hope that you all are doing good. Today's topic of discussion is decluttering or cleaning the clutter we have in our day-to-day activities in our day-to-day life. If I've collected some of samples and some of the images which I could just collect for our discussion. It's like if now what I am trying to depict in these pictures is like many times we do have these corners where we have not cleaned up for such a long time, and the furniture in this particular image, yours might not be in that critical situation, in that critical condition, but then we may have few things which are just lying around in our house, and we have kept it in that way. We have got used to those things, like a pile of newspaper for example. We have just got used to those unnecessary things, and we feel that someday we will need these things. Even taking example of laundry, if we are keeping on and on, and if we are just piling them up for a long period of time, if we have these kind of garages or old homes, where we are just piling up things, it what I feel is that it leads to a confused state of mind. It makes us confused, and instead of moving with a healthy mindset, what we feel is like many times we will just pile up things which are no longer needed, and giving them up or donating it to someone, or just giving it to your maid or to your house help looks like a big deal to us, and we are not able to do that. We always feel that okay, someday we will need it, so why should I give it? We will feel it that way, but then personally what I have felt is instead of piling up so many things and just dirting our house, and uh, storing all these unnecessary things, it is not helping us in any way. Instead, if we are proactive in having minimum things in our life, and if we have this regular habit of decluttering as and when we feel that okay, we are not using something for a long period of time, or something is there which is not part of our day to day activity, and it is not helping us in any way, I feel that it's good to remove it from your home. Just give it to someone who needs it, and if it is if it is in such a situation where even others may not find it useful, you better throw it, and it should go into the garbage bag basically. Also, if I'm just talking about cleaning things, I mean cleaning also, I feel that sometimes just being in that zone where you are not feeling like cleaning your home, cleaning your cupboards, or cleaning your things in the kitchen which are just lying around, it makes us not lead a very peaceful life, I feel. And I feel that we should remove the clutter, and have minimum things in our life basically. And decluttering doesn't always mean that we are just removing the unnecessary things. It also means that we are cleaning our own mobile phones, even if you talk about it, our laptops, and even our mind, which things which are not needed, things which we do not need that much, we should remove it from our life, and we should remove it from our mind as well. I hope that this video was useful to you.